I have the TV right here. I thought it'd be kind of cool if I just did this with the finished product in the back. Oh, let me turn the light on so you guys can see what it looks like with the light on. Yay! It doesn't look as cool in the daytime, but let's leave that on. I wanted to share with you guys how I made this TV stand. The TV that I had before was a 55-inch Samsung TV, which I had for like 6-7 years. And I wanted to upgrade because in this home, the wall where our TV is humongous and it looked really awkward. It was something so small and the TV stand was also very small. So we wanted to get an 85-inch. I feel like with the TV stand, it's awkward if the TV stand is smaller than the TV. So you always want to do something that's a little bit bigger. So I was looking at all of this. They were all over $1,000. Like everything that I liked was over $1,000. So I decided to just make my own on a budget using what I had. So I have a very big wall and it just looks really awkward. So we're upgrading our TV and upgrading our table stand, or TV stand, whoops. And I'm thinking, I found this one Pinterest TV stand that I really like. So I'm gonna try to DIY and make it like I'm gonna use what I have and combine it with the new IKEA Rana's TV stand that I just purchased and that I saw online. Yeah. 이건 어때? I actually went to IKEA and I purchased this black part of the TV stand right here. And this is the new TV stand, Rana's. It's really cool because, I mean, I have an Xbox in there, which I don't really use, but if you were to have a game console, I think this stand is awesome because you don't have to have it out where you can physically see it. If it's in there, it still catches a signal. So I think that was one of the pros to what people were saying on the reviews on the stand. I liked it purely because of how it looked, and it's actually glass. The inside, the dividing shelves are also glass, and I thought it looked really nice. So I wanted the Rana's with the old existing stand. This is from Amazon. The lights are actually from Amazon as well, which we will link down below in the description box. And this stand, I wanted to do something with it so I don't have to throw it out. I don't really love to throw things out. So I wanted to combine two designs to make something that I would like that's a little bit more modern and artsy, and also very fitting to the style of my home and size-wise to the TV that we were buying. So I'm gonna try and remove, well, Gina's gonna do it, remove this part and the drawer and slide the IKEA stand right in there. So it's like an extendable thing. That's what I am thinking right now. And then I measured everything, and so from the distance from the inside to here is only 1 inch different from the height of the Rana's, which is perfect, I think. I think it's better than it being like perfectly snug. I think it's better with a little bit of space. But yes, I'm gonna go buy my TV. Somehow the measurements ended up working out perfectly. So that was the best news. I couldn't believe that things were actually going smoothly with this project. So we got it to separate. And so with the legs that were at the bottom of the TV stand of the original one that I had, we had the front ones were screwed on, but in the back there's, I don't know if you can see from here, but there's like right here, this is actually the backboard and it goes all the way down. So if the base is here, that backboard came all the way down here. So we needed to cut this off because that was the leg that was holding the weight of the entire back, and the front had 2 legs. So it was like 3 legs on the stand. So these we can screw off, but the one in the back we had to saw it off. Well, I didn't, Gino did. He had to saw it off so it would sit flush to the ground. I also wanted it like that because since the TV is so big, I didn't want my neck to be straight watching the TV upwards, but the straight on view. We wanted to lower the TV stand as much as we could. Making this Rana's TV stand was actually really easy. I was able to do it by myself, and then Gino came down to help me after he ended work, but it was a fairly easy putting together thing because when we first moved into the house, we bought a lot of furniture where we had to make it ourselves, like from IKEA or Wayfair or Target, anywhere, and Some of the directions were not that great and I'm missing parts. So I just wanted to point out that this Rana's TV stand was actually fairly easy to assemble, even for just like one person to do. It's a little on the heavy side, but I somehow managed to make it work. I'm not that strong either. So it is something that's possible, and I would highly rate this stand because it looks nice as well. So my personal style is a little bit more modern, a little bit more artsy, something that's not as traditional. And I really like lights. If you guys have watched some of our other home decor videos, you guys know lights is almost the most important thing to me because it completely changes the mood and ambiance of the area. Most people do put the lights around the TV, but me always wanting to be a little bit different than what most people do, I decided to put the lights on the bottom of the stand, and I was a little worried that that would be distracting when I'm watching TV, like maybe the lights glaring, but it actually isn't. And if you guys are wanting to do something a little different where you don't put the lights on the TV in the back, you can also just do it like I did and put it on your stand, and it makes the stand look a little extra and it makes it stand out a little more. So this is the finished product of our TV. It wasn't that hard of a project, but I mean, I think that TV stand, or Amazon when I got it for a little over 200, and then the Rana's is 400. So it was about like, let's say like $700 project, as opposed to something that was like 1,000 or 1,200. It wasn't like that much money that I saved because I had this portion, but I just wanted this to be a motivational video for you guys to try different things out. And instead of just buying things that are always at the store, I feel like IKEA is a really good place where you can buy something and elevate it because the base is already so good. I feel like IKEA things are pretty nice to begin with. I wanted this video to be something that could give you guys ideas in the future. I personally don't like DIY things too much because I feel like in the end it can look unprofessional. I just decided to make my own because we spent a lot of money on the TV as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys on our next one.